Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Garage Insulation Kit is probably one of the most overlooked upgrades for homeowners, but it can significantly improve your home's energy efficiency and comfort. By installing a garage insulation kit, you're not just keeping the cold out in winter and the heat out in summer, you're also creating a more comfortable and usable space, reducing noise, and potentially lowering your energy bills. Let's dive in and see what makes a great kit. Number 5. Reach Barrier 3009 Garage Door Insulation Kit. This kit utilizes Reach Barrier reflective insulation and bubble barrier technology. It blocks up to 95% of radiant heat. This helps improve energy efficiency and lower your bills. The panels have 2 layers of 532-inch barrier bubble. These are laminated between 2 layers of reflective polyethylene. This design delivers more consistent R values. The kit is easy to use and install. The pre-cut panels require no special tools. It also requires no maintenance. The kit includes 8 Reach Barrier bubble insulation panels. It also comes with permanent bond adhesive tape, a garage door cleaner sponge, and an easy-to-follow instruction guide. This product helps you save energy. It is lightweight and easy to assemble. You can easily install it with the adhesive pads included. What we like. This kit efficiently blocks up to 95% of radiant heat, making your garage more comfortable. It's also incredibly easy to assemble with the included adhesive pads. If you're looking to reduce your energy bills and keep your garage cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, you should consider this one. What people say. The panels trim neatly and easily with a box cutter. The design of the door made it possible to jab that 1/4 extra of material in a groove, and it stayed in that groove even with the door operating multiple times to test this technique. Easy to cut with scissors. Measure and start the cut, then just follow the bubbles. Number 4. Insulation panels with adhesive tape. This insulation set includes 16 pieces of bubble insulation films, each measuring 24 by 48 inches. You'll also receive 100 pieces of adhesive tape for easy installation. This ensures you have enough to cover your needs and have some extra. These double-sided insulation films are crafted from reflective aluminized film and vacuum polyethylene bubble film. They are odorless, safe, and provide excellent heat insulation. The aluminum panels reduce heat transfer, keeping your space comfortable year-round. The bubble insulation film features a double-layer design. The surface reflects UV rays, blocking up to 95% of heat. The bottom layer further insulates, helping to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. Installation is simple. Just cut the film to the size you need and apply the included tape to your garage door or other surfaces. Then, attach the heat shield for effective thermal insulation. This kit is ideal for 2-car garages and can be used in garages, attics, greenhouses, warehouses, roofs, and walls. It's also suitable for car baffles, bag lining, and home renovation projects. It is a versatile solution for many insulation needs. What we like. This kit features a double-layer design for superior insulation, reflecting UV rays and blocking heat effectively. The installation is straightforward, requiring only cutting and applying tape. If you have a garage, attic, or even a greenhouse, and you want a versatile insulation solution, this is a great choice. What people say. The inside shot shows 3 levels of panels installed and 1 left off. At 4:30 in the afternoon, using a laser temperature gun, the temperature of the insulated panel showed 96.1 degree Fahrenheit +_. The non-insulated panel showed a temperature of 123.4 degrees, which is a 30-degree difference, which is a 25% decrease in temperature. The panels are pre-cut for a standard double garage door and required no trimming. This product is keeping my garage door significantly cooler on an even warmer and sunnier day, so I am sure it will serve its purpose. That goes for both summer and winter. Number 3. NASA Tech 2-Car Garage Door Insulation Kit. Are you looking to improve the temperature in your garage? This kit is designed to do just that. It's easy to install and will make a big difference. The kit comes with everything you need. It includes insulation rolls, heavy-duty double-sided tape, a razor, and a squeegee. Everything is included to make the installation process easy. This product is proudly made in the USA and meets all US and international fire codes. You can trust its quality and safety standards. The included heavy-duty tape ensures a secure and lasting installation. Just peel the liner and let it tack up. Detailed instructions are included to guide you. This insulation provides an R8 value, acting as a vapor barrier and radiant barrier all in one. It also helps with sound deadening, making your garage more comfortable. This insulation is waterproof, weatherproof, and very durable. The manufacturer is so confident in the product that they will replace any damaged rolls. What we like. With an R value of 8.0, this kit provides excellent insulation, keeping your garage at a stable temperature. Made in the USA, it meets all fire codes. If you prioritize high-performance insulation and want a reliable product, you should consider this kit. What people say. I would recommend that you take the hardware off. Not only will it prevent the panels from binding together, it will help keep the insulation intact as well as assisting in the insulation purposes from the beginning. As of now, there is definitely a noise reduction when vehicles pass by my place. Also, we just had a very high wind storm last night, and usually through the panels I could feel wind coming through the seams of the garage door, and that is most definitely reduced. Number 2. Matador SGDIK002 Garage Door Insulation Kit, X Large, White. Installing this kit is incredibly simple. It only takes 3 easy steps to get the job done. You won't need any special tools or complicated procedures. Forget about messy adhesives. This product is designed for a hassle-free installation. It fits directly into your garage door's existing framework. This kit is made to fit most standard pan-style garage doors. Whether you have an 8-foot or 9-foot door, it's likely a perfect fit. It is designed to fit into the existing framework of a standard garage door. The panels are pre-scored, making adjustments a breeze. No need for special tools or complicated cutting. You can easily customize it to fit your door. The kit includes 8 high-impact polystyrene laminate panels. Each panel measures 23.25 inches high, 54 inches wide, and 1.25 inches thick. They are designed to provide excellent insulation. What we like. Installation is a breeze with this kit, requiring only 3 simple steps and no need for tapes or glues. It's designed to fit most standard garage doors. If you value simplicity and ease of installation, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. It works amazingly, easy to install, minus the slight mess made when you cut these to size. I used a snap-off blade knife to cut these, and as I worked I discovered that I could make very much cleaner cuts, which meant much less crumbling mess. If I made sure I had a very sharp blade, and I pulled the blade through the foam in several passes, rather than any sawing motion or even any pushing down cutting motion. It made an instant difference in the garage once it was installed. Number 1. Reflectix Garage Door Insulation Kit 16x8. Are you looking to improve your garage? This insulation kit is designed to make your garage more comfortable. It's an easy and effective solution. Made in the USA, this kit ensures high quality and durability. It's built to last, providing long-term insulation benefits for your garage. With an R value of 8.0, this insulation kit offers excellent thermal performance. It helps regulate the temperature in your garage, keeping it cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. The kit includes heavy-duty double-sided tape for easy installation. You can quickly and easily apply it to your garage door, saving you time and effort. This versatile kit is designed to fit both 16x8 and 16x7 garage doors. It's a perfect fit for most standard 2-car garage doors, providing comprehensive coverage. The white reflective foam core enhances the insulation properties. It reflects radiant heat, further improving the energy efficiency of your garage. What we like. With an R value of 8.0, this kit provides excellent insulation, keeping your garage at a stable temperature. Made in the USA, it meets all fire codes. If you prioritize high-performance insulation and want a reliable product, you should consider this kit. What people say. The kit included everything that you will need to install the kit: foam rolls, double-sided tape, disposable razor knife and a squeegee. The panels themselves are top-notch quality, easy to work with, cut, and manipulate into spaces around my door hardware. With the panels fully installed, I could immediately tell a difference in the heat coming off the door. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.